Here's how to import a GitHub project to V0 by Vercel. Let's get to it. So on github.com, if you go over to the dashboard page, you're going to find these repositories, your repositories on the left-hand side. So we are going to take this repository that is V0. I actually made a project on V0 and then I pushed the code from V0 to GitHub. And now I'm going to import it back to V0 from GitHub. So we're going to go to V0 by Vercel. And then on it, on the top here, you can press next to this new chat, press on this down arrow, and it's going to show you import from GitHub button. Press on it. Then it's going to show you this pop-up. On it, you can import from a URL or you can select a repository. You just need to press on this and you can add a new GitHub account. If you have your project on a different GitHub account, you can connect it. Now, this is the one that I want to use. And then inside it, I've got this V0 repo. I just need to press on this import on the right-hand side, and then it's going to ask us to create a new project. You can change the project name from here. Just press on create project, and that is it. Now we have got the project from GitHub to V0 by Vercel. And now you can see all your code files here. If you want to download the code, you can press here on the top right, 3 dots, and click on download zip file. If we go back into projects, you're going to find your project that we just imported from GitHub in your V0 account. And yeah, that's it. That's how to import GitHub project to V0 by Vercel. I hope this video helped. If it did, let me know with a liking comment. And on the right hand side, you can find more V0 or GitHub related guides and fixes. See you there. Bye for now.